In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games in Steam using Steam Wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check your balance, add funds if you need them, and complete a purchase smoothly using your wallet. First, open the Steam app or go to the Steam website and make sure you are signed in to your account. Start by checking how much is already in your Steam wallet. Click your profile icon, then choose Account Details. On this page, you'll see your current Steam Wallet balance. It's a good habit to check this before shopping, so you know whether you have enough to cover the game's price, including any taxes or fees. If your balance is low, you can add more right from the same area. Look for the option labeled Add Funds to your Steam Wallet. Select the amount that makes sense for you. The available payment methods can vary by region, and wallet funds are usually added instantly once your payment clears. It's often helpful to add a little more than you think you'll need, so you are covered if there are taxes or if you spot an extra item you want. Now, head to the Steam store. Browse or use the search bar to find the game you want. Open the game's page to review details like price, edition, and system requirements. When you are ready, click Add to Cart. If you are picking up more than one game, repeat this step for each title you want. Next, click View Cart. Here, choose whether you are buying for my account or this is a gift. For your own account, the game will be added to your library once the purchase is complete. If it's a gift, you'll be guided to select a recipient from your friends list and write a short message if you'd like. On the payment screen, select Steam Wallet as your payment method. If your wallet balance doesn't fully cover the total, Steam will let you pay the remaining amount with another available method. You'll see exactly how much will be taken from your wallet, and how much, if any, will come from the secondary payment. Before you finalize, review the order summary to confirm the correct game, price, and recipient if you are gifting. When everything looks right, click Purchase to complete the transaction. If you bought it for yourself, the game will appear in your library, ready to install. If it's a gift, Steam will handle delivery to the recipient you chose. That's it. Thanks for watching.